This video is going to introduce you the topology. There are 4 options: Smart Detection, System Scan, Gateway Scan, and Select Detection. As you can see, after scanning, if the modules are green means the modules are normal. If the modules are red means the modules are abnormal. And it will show you the amount of codes in the module. The white one means the module is not scanned, the gray, not equipped. The blue one means the module is scanned but not scanned the codes. Select Smart Detection and the device will scan DTC of all systems. It takes some time to scan the modules. If you want to stop scanning, tap Pause. The device will stop scanning until the current module has been scanned. You can tap the module. It will show you the DTC of the module. Tap Code Search. It will search the code online and show you how to repair the vehicle. You can tap Enter to enter the system. Check the information of the module and tap OK. In this page, there are all kinds of functions you can operate to this module. Select System Scan and the device will only scan all the modules and show you which modules the vehicle is equipped or not, but will not scan the codes. If you do not want to scan all the modules, you can tap the button to select specific modules you want to scan, or tap it again to unselect. Or select a single module to scan. Select the modules and tap Select Detection. Select Report. Input vehicle information and tap OK. Input shop information and tap OK. You can save and share the report.